Hey, if you are wondering why your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro won't enter into the pairing mode, so as you can see the LED indicator lights up, it's green, so everything should be fine, but I'm clicking and holding this pairing button on the back and indicator is not working. I can close it, wait for a few moments, I can just open it one more time and just repeat, and it's not working. And the most common problem is because you got the dirty pins. Yeah, I just put it on a purpose here, those papers, but if they doesn't stick with the pins here, or something is on the gold pins over here, the charging ports, then they will never basically enter for the pairing mode. Now take a look. I just take it off. I'm gonna click and hold this button right now, and now it's gonna enter for the pairing mode. Or maybe not. So probably I have to close it, open, and now repeat. Let's wait for it. There we go. As you can see right now, it's working. So this is just everything. I hope you find that useful.